Now, the paper leak agitation in Jharkhand has entered its second week, but there is still no breakthrough. The Hemant Soren government has intensified talks in an attempt to end the protest. Yet negotiations remain deadlocked over the composition of the delegation and the conditions for dialogue. As students continue their sit-in and hunger strike, the issue has snowballed into a major political flashpoint, with the opposition now targeting the government and the national leaders also weighing in. Can dialogue finally end the standoff, or is the confrontation set to intensify? Here's a report.
It has been 14 days since students in Jharkhand launched their protest over paper leaks and recruitment irregularities. The Hemant Soren government is now in a damage control mode, making efforts to end the agitation, but the deadlock continues. The main flashpoint is the composition of the delegation for talks. The protesting students insist that a lawyer and journalist be part of their delegation and that the discussion be held in public, along with other conditions. The Soren government, on the other hand, wants to hold talks only with student representatives without the participation of lawyers or journalists. Officials and the protesters continue to negotiate in an attempt to find common ground. Chief Minister Soren, meanwhile, has maintained that his government is committed to bringing reforms to improve the recruitment system.
जो माध्यम है वो माध्यम हमने बता रखा है और बात करने के लिए भी हम लोग तैयार हैं। सरकार हर छात्रों का जो उनकी समस्या है उसको जानने की इच्छा रखती है।
Student leader Devendra Nath Mahato, who is on a hunger strike, hit out at the government, accusing it of being insensitive towards students.
देखिए, अभी जिस तरीके से सरकार का रवैया को देख रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा छात्र के प्रति असंवेदनशील है.
Amid heavy rain, the Cockroach Janata Party sent raincoats for the protesters and reiterated its support for the ongoing agitation.
वहाँ के छात्रों से बहुत डिटेल में विस्तार में हमने उनकी समस्या समझी है, क्या उनकी डिमांड्स हैं उनको बहुत डिटेल में समझा है. सीजेपी की पूरी टीम झारखंड में जो भी हमारे साथी प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं उनके समर्थन में खड़ी है. हम झारखंड की सरकार से मांग करते हैं कि उनकी सभी डिमांड्स को एक्सेप्ट किया जाए.
Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi finally broke his silence on the issue. After interacting with the protesting students, he extended his support to the movement.
हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम कोलैप्स्ड है, बहुत महंगा है और ऑप्रेसिव है. हर सरकार को स्टूडेंट्स की बात सुननी चाहिए और एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बदलने के लिए एक्शन लेना चाहिए, चाहे वो कांग्रेस की सरकार हो, नेशनल सरकार हो या झारखंड की सरकार.
The BJP, meanwhile, continued to corner the Jharkhand government over the alleged paper leak and recruitment controversy.
ये सरकार गंभीर नहीं, क्योंकि सरकार के अंदर कोई संवेदनशीलता होती है, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि मामला को सॉर्ट आउट कर लेते. यहाँ तो सरकार ही इन्वॉल्व है.
While the government's willingness to hold talks is being seen as a positive step, whether the dialogue can break the deadlock remains to be seen. With Ashutosh Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.